Welcome to episode 12 and our final episode of our roofing components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the major components of your roof system. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into the optional components on your roof system. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get into it. What you need to know about gutter guards. Gutter guards are a way to keep all the debris that falls on your roof from trees or wherever it comes from getting down into your gutters and clogging up the downspouts. There's several different types of gutter screen or gutter protection. There's a gutter helmet, which allows the water to roll over and back and drip in, and all of the stuff just falls off the roof. There's many different types of screen, from a mesh guard type screen, which is a real tight woven screen that won't let pine needles in. And then there's just like a powder coated steel or a aluminum screen that's in a grid pattern that just keeps all the big debris from getting down into your gutters. When the wind blows, it blows all that debris off of them and keeps everything clear. The best time to install a gutter screen is either when your new gutters are getting installed or when you're putting a new roof on and the roof is still nice and pliable. It's really tough to retrofit gutter screens on an old roof because when you raise them up, they break off in your hand, and it could create a leak as well. Gutter protection has a wide range of how much it would cost. The least expensive is going to be an aluminum screen that's put under the shingles and attached to the edge of the gutter. It's going to run right at $4 a linear foot. Powder coated steel gutter screens is going to run somewhere around $6 a linear foot installed. A wire mesh type gutter screen is going to run $8 per linear foot, and the gutter helmet or leaf guard type gutter protection systems can run up to $30 or $40 a linear foot. The gutter helmet or leaf guard type systems are franchise-owned systems, and most of those type systems are not available to roofers or just regular gutter installers. What you need to know about animal prevention. When we're talking about animal prevention, we're usually talking about putting some type of either a mesh screen or even a solid piece of pre-finished steel or even copper over an area where animals are trying to get into your home. A lot of times they're trying to get in right around where the gutters meet the roof. They get in where an eave comes in, and underneath a soffit on a wall, they'll try to get in up under there, and there's signs of where they've been chewing. They also try to come in roof vents as well, so they make cages that go over those type of vents. The best time to install some animal prevention products is when you've noticed animals up on your roof, or you've heard them in your attic, or just to be on the safe side, do it when you replace your roof, and that way you'll never have to worry about getting animals inside your home. The cost for animal prevention is going to vary widely between different companies depending on their overhead, their profit margins, things like that. If you have a problem with animals getting into your home, call one of the professionals, get a quote from them, get a guarantee from them, make sure they get the animals out of your home before they close up all the holes where they're coming in at. And those guys, they're going to know how to do that. And if you've had an animal that gets into your attic, you definitely want to get that inspected by someone to make sure that the animal has not created a biohazard up inside your attic. It's always better to do preventative maintenance. If you have a lot of squirrels in your neighborhood, or you see them on your neighbor's roof, chances are if they've got access, they're going to get on your roof as well. That's when it's time to take preventative measures and make sure that you're not one of those people that has animals in your attics, like a squirrel or a possum. What you need to know about skylights. Skylight is just another term for basically a roof window that's attached to the roof and properly flashed around it. Shouldn't ever have any trouble out of it. A sun tunnel is a dome on your roof that's attached to a tube that goes through your attic to a room inside your home like a bathroom or a closet or a room that doesn't have any windows. And as the light comes through that shaft, it projects down into that room to give you much more natural light. The best time to install a skylight or a sun tunnel is when you're having your roof replaced, but we can also come in and retrofit those for your home. It's going to cost a little bit more to do it in a retrofit than it would if we're doing it during a roof install. There's way too many variables to quote what each one of the skylights and sun tunnels are going to cost. I would like for you to go to the Velux website to get an education on what are the different styles of skylights and sun tunnels available, and then we can provide you with an estimate on the installation cost. That's the end of our Roofing Components playlist video series. If this is the first video that you're watching, click on the link below or at the end of this video to start back over on episode 1 about decking. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get the education that they need before they make that huge purchasing decision. We'll see you on the next ones.